Zero-base steel connection user. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design the vertical brace base plate connections using this program. Okay, down below the description area, there's a link to download this PDF file. It's a working sheet for this tutorial. All right, so that's the detail. And go to the first page. There are three connections here highlighted as yellow. In this tutorial, we're going to design this base plate vertical brace. Okay, the connection ID is 4-5, so that's the third one, 4-5. Okay, look at this detail. I'm going to design these connection vertical base plate, column base plate with vertical brace. All right, so before everything, go to setting. Make sure the design code is American code, LRFD, and the input unit is Imperial. Okay, all right, so let's start. Okay, so select brace connection and select vertical brace base plate. All right, so the column is right side. Gusset plate connect to column web. The section brace section types double angle. The angle to vertical line, the brace angle, okay, it's 48.8 degree. Okay, to vertical line, 48.8. It's 48.8 degree. Okay, go to section. The column section is it's W shape. Canadian section 250 by 58. 250 by 58. Okay. And go to vertical brace. The brace section is Canadian section. Long leg vertical. (102.76) and the 7.9. Okay. Number bolt 3. Copy everything. So gauge is 2.5, 3 inch, 1.5, half. 1.5. All right, so we finished the brace. Okay, finish the brace. Now go to gusset. See 1 inch. The edge extension 1 inch, and I don't know, clearance is 1 inch too. I mean, we assume that. So see 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, clearance 1 inch. Gusset plate thickness is ½ inch. I believe so, ½ inch. And the clip, okay, the clip size is 0.75. Just leave it as it is. Now we're going to input this bolt spacing is 1 inch diameter. Bolt spacing is 10 by 13. All right, and this one is 16 inch by 19 inch. All right, so and the well is 5/16. All right, so go to gusset column. The weld here is 1/4, and we copy this one here. Okay, 1/4. Copy this one. Copy this one. And it's flushed. So it's flush 1/4 weld. That's correct. Gusset the base plate. We go to top view. Okay, top view. And this one is this. It's 16. It's 8 by 8. Okay, 8 by 8. And this one is this. It's 19 divided by 2, 8.5. 8.5. 8.5. The thickness is 1 inch. This one, side view. Okay. Oh no. It changed back again. It's 8 by 8. This one, top view. Sorry, it's 8 by 8. It's 19 divided by 2 is 9.5 actually. Sorry about that. And no, 9.5. 9.5. 1 inch update. Again. So it's 8 by 8, 9.5. See here, it's a 16 inch here. It's a 19 inch here. Okay, so it's 8, 8, 9.5, 9.5 side view. Okay, so this one is the offset, 1 inch offset. The work point is the underside of the base plate, so that's -1. It's the thickness of base plate. And the welding, it's all 5/16. I think welding of 5/16. See here, 5/16. And this one is 5/16 too. Okay, 5/16 too. This one is 5/16 too. So we finish this one. Now the spacing for both, this one is 10 inch. 10 inch. This one is 13 inch. 13 inch. Column pedestal, it's not important for steel connection structure engineer. Okay, so we just keep input a big value. That's for anchor bolt check. It's not important for connection engineer, so we leave it as it is. Grout thickness, same thing. Okay, number, this one is for anchor bolt design. Connection engineer normally they don't care. Okay, so we have additional feature. The bolt diameter is 1 inch. Let's put 1 inch. Okay. All right. So these are shear key, all are additional features that design the shear key attached to the base plate, but normally the connection engineer don't care this. All right. So side view, we finish input. Finish input of this guy. Right. So now side view. Okay. it's nice sketch here. Now go to design mode. It's 22.5. Okay, we set everything to 0 first. All right, so let's load. You can check this link, okay, for explanation all the low input. Why there are so many low input? Because they're designed for many other parts. Okay, you check this link again. Go to this link. Okay, you check all the explanation for input here. For us, we only care about the brace tensile 22.5 kips and compression 22.5 tensile minus 22.5 kips. We only care about because there is weld design for column to like call this weld design, and the uh, the low case where you get the maximum actual brace force might not necessarily the low case you get the maximum column tensile force. Okay, so we have additional input if you want to design the column to base plate weld. So for our case, we only care about the brace, this weld. Then we only need to input this brace compression force and brace tensile force. The ratio is 0.24. All right. So we finished the design of this guy. Okay. Wait a second. There's stiffener plate temp here. Okay. We have option. Gusset column. We have options. That's for the column web check. We have the option to provide the stiffener plate here. So we have option here. They will, for this case, it's okay to ignore this stiffener plate, but when this ratio goes up, these gets up to column web punch shear or whatever govern. It's good for you to add this option. All right. So now we finished design of this connection, this base plate. Okay, and we go to sketch. All right, so that's brace, double angle. Let's separate with more sections. Okay, that's base plate connector plan view. Okay, so we finish this one, and this concludes our tutorial today. We're going to show you how to design Chevron brace in the next tutorials. Bye bye.